Alright guys, this is going to be a disassembly video of ar15 import card reading. I ain't an expert on this, so I've watched some YouTube videos, I've done it. This is probably about my fourth time doing it. It's pretty simple. It's not hard to do at all. Anyway, first of all, safety check, which you should know. It's checked. I don't gotta show y'all. It's my life. That was clear. Anyway, there's these takedown pins that connect the upper from the lower, right here and right here. Because I don't have a cameraman, I'm just gonna take the top off, and they come on this side. They won't come all the way out. Anyway, I don't know if you have to put it on safe or not, but I think I was told to. Just push that pin out that way. Pull it out. And I'm going to go ahead and, a lot of people tilt it. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Yeah, get this out right now. Hold up, gotta do it on camera. Oh my God. Fucker. There we go. Hold on, I couldn't get a grip. Anyway, after you get that, as you see, yeah, you just push these out and pick them out. Takes the lower part completely off. Pull this out a little bit, like so. Got your bolt, and then get this out and down. This part right here, there's a little notch in there. It connects on these little pieces. It's a little on the edge, on the front right here. Those, it'll go up in there and in and out the same way. Okay, whenever you clean your buffer tube, yeah, there's a little pin right here. You can see it. I know this one's underneath a lot of tension. You push it back, and so I'm gonna use something to hold this down with. You can do it with a bullet or whatever, but yeah. And then you just take that out. Like so, and you can clean it off. Upper's pretty much done. Anyway, that's nice. I should put down a towel. But I had just shot this. I'm gonna clean it afterwards. I was saying no sense of redoing everything. Alright, right here, there's a I think it's called a Carter pin or whatever. You just pull that out. It holds in your firing pin. Take anything that you can use to get it out. Just put that in, like so. Then you might have to, this is done taken out, you might have to give it a tap or two. Okay, your firing pin's out. Next, it's called a cam pin right there. You need to, when you push the bolt down, it'll come back, but you need to rotate this sideways 90 degrees and then work it out. It's pretty oily, so. And then, you know what I'm saying, you take your bolt out. God, I need a towel. Let's go ahead and do this. Then here's your extractor. It's a little round piece right here. And on the side, on both sides, there is a little pin you need to push out. I think most of this is designed to do with a bullet, but I'm just using this just to my bad. Forgot. You're supposed to keep pressure on this as you push it out. Pinch it. Pinch the extractor. I don't think it matters which way. I'm not sure. Don't work one way, do it the other. There is your extractor. And you know, you just clean all this stuff. You can clean out your gas key, check your gas key, make sure everything's good and tight. Clean out your barrel, you know, that stuff right there. Make sure everything's got a little coat of oil on it. You don't want to run your stuff dry. Okay, now to put it back together, put this, work backwards to front, whatever now. Yeah. You want to line up this little hole through that. Okay, and you're going to have to pinch it down, put quite a bit of pressure on there. Some ways it seems like it works a little easier through. Okay, a little bit of light. Okay. There we go. Push through there, make sure it's even. This could go. Alright, now there's these little slots in this. There's 3 of them. You want to make sure they're staggered at least 60 degrees. But the book says about one. You know, have them equally staggered out the thing. 120 degrees it says in the book, but you want to at least have them 60. I don't even know what these things do exactly. I'm sure they regulate the gas, but I don't get why it's designed like this. I need to check up on it. I've been planning on it. It's one of the few things I haven't learned about this. About the ar15 design. Seems like they should have made something stationary. I don't know. It just stays like that. But anyway. Okay, put your bolt in. This needs to be put at 11 o'clock position. Once you get your little pin there, turn it around, back 90 degrees. Okay. Your firing pin's going to go in this little slot right in here. Yeah. So, when you put this in, just pinch it and stick it in there. Sometimes you gotta wiggle some stuff around. Sometimes it doesn't seem like it wants to go in there the first time, so just think I'll do it again. I'll say I don't know if I'm doing this a little wrong, but I always get it on the second try. Oh, maybe not this time. Anyway, I guess I'm not pitching it in there good enough. There we go. Push it in there all the way. Bolt system is back together fine. Grab something like all some of this gunk from my hands real quick, guys. Should have cleaned it first, but being lazy, I don't want to drag out the towels and all that stuff. More than once. Tired. Alright, put this back in here. It's simple. Yeah. Just kind of stick it in there, work it around, push it back past that. Make sure everything's working good. I put like there's 3 little slots in there. I turn mine around to where it's not a slot. Don't know if you're supposed to, but I do it anyway. To reassemble this, Put in your charging handle. Just kind of stick it below and kind of slowly work it so it goes up in there, like so. Y'all want me to do a actual cleaning video? I probably will. You want to have your charging handle out some so your gas key can go up in there. Oh yeah. You need to have your bolt pushed forward so this cam pin don't get in the way. You slide it in, push them both together, it's locked in, you're good to go. Push this like so. I have never had trouble with this little thing right here. I don't know why it's giving me heck today. There we go. There you go, push both pins in, do yourself a function check. Test fire. There you go, guys. This assembly, hope it helps y'all out.